Hello, my name is Taylor McKay and welcome to my website. This is the home page of my website, Taylor's Classroom, where I lay out what will be covered in each section. The next page we have is the biography page. I'll go over a little brief history on myself and my background. Next would be the business page. Now what I've done here is I've curated and posted a collection of various topics regarding the automotive industry and other business practices, and I've posted it here. These are all various things going on in the automotive industry, which is something that I'm pretty fascinated with. So you can check out some good resources right there for that. Next is going to be the resources page, and on this page is a list of sites that were put into our wiki. They're on a variety of topics. Some are regarding wrestling, some are regarding the automotive industry, some are regarding hunting, some are regarding landscaping. Just kind of a variety, a good mix, all good sites to visit and check out. Next is going to be our Web 2.0 tools. I've posted a few here. Most of these have to do with budgeting or financial literacy, things related to that area, which I think are very important for anybody to have. Next is going to be the tech projects page. And on this section is a collection of things that I've done for Dr. Harriman's class. This right here is a picture slideshow I did. It's a collection of non-copyrighted pictures. It's related to various topics in sports. Some good stuff to check out there. Next is going to be the personal learning environment and personal learning network page. I highlight the difference between the two up here at the top. And then down here is going to be kind of a collection of various reviews and things I've done throughout the semester. This first one is related to blogs. I define it, give a couple of examples, and then review an educational blog. I reviewed Tony Vincent's Learning in Hand blog. It's very interesting. Next would be the curation tools. These are things like Digo or Feedly, where you can compile websites and articles and informations into one place. I've also posted my Digo link here. Most of the links on my Digo are the same as the resources page. They come from the same. I've also got a lot more on there you can check out. Then the next one would be microblogs. These are things like Twitter, little smaller social media blogs. I've given some three that I really like. Jim Cramer is one that I like to follow. He's a pretty entertaining guy. And I give my review of microblogs here. The next would be the digital story. For this one, I did a walkthrough of going to the Baton Rouge Farmers Market and provided examples of healthy and nutritious foods and some of the benefits that each one of them can give you and where to purchase them from. The mobile app page is next. And what I did here is we were each assigned a mobile app, educational mobile app to review and give a presentation on and explain. And I did Explain Everything, which is an interactive whiteboard. I actually found this very interesting, and I think this is a good tool that a lot of people can use, whether in education or in business. And then last but not least is my Apple Teacher certification. I am Apple Teacher certified for the Mac. Woohoo. Pretty exciting stuff. And this is just a picture of my badges here. Next is my tech blog. This is just a blog on a few topics that I've posted. First is just an introduction. The next has to do with copyright laws and fair use regarding images and things like that. And then the last one is on wikis. I talk a little bit about wikis and give some examples of how wikis can be used. And thank you. That's my website.